So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video I'm going to discuss with you what are the features of Hindu Succession Act. So let's start the discussion without any delay. So the importance of act, of the act lies in the fact that it provides uniform rules for succession and reduces the conflict that arose due to confusion over different rules based on the ideas of two schools. So starting with let's start a discussion. It makes a uniform. The other features of the act are it makes a uniform system of inheritance and devolution of property that is equally applicable to areas of Mitakshara and Daibhaga school. The applicability of the act is explained thoroughly under section 2 of the act. However, it does not apply to people governed by the Special Marriage Act of 1954. Another important feature of this act is its overriding effect given under section 4. It abrogates all the earlier laws, customs, rules, etc. That were applicable to Hindus with respect to succession. Any act or law that is inconsistent with the provisions of this act will be ineffective. It has also abolished the concept of imperitable state and its succession by special mode. And the next one is earlier rule of supervisorship is co-partnership property was only applicable to male heirs. Female heirs were not recognized and given the right to inherit the supervisorship. But after the enactment of the act, there has been a change in the concept. Now, if a male dies intestate, leaving behind a female heir, the property would develop. The property would devolve according to the provisions of this act and not the rule of survivorship. The act provides order of succession based on the doctrine of propinquity, either the nearness or closeness of blood, and gives 4 different categories. That are, the very first is class 1 heirs, second one is class 2 heirs, and the third one is agnates. What are those people related to each other by blood or adoption only through males. The last one is cognates. Who are cognates? Basically people who are related to each other either by blood or adoption but not through males. So I hope you're pretty much clear about the features of Hindu Succession Act. In the next video we're going to cover up the remaining features. See you in the next video with some more information.